Hi there, my name is Ken. In this video, I'm going to review the Impact app by Interactive Brokers, which was launched recently and will give you a full guide. Let's do it. If you are new here I talk about personal finance and investments. Make sure to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos. November 4th, I received an email from Interactive Brokers with the topic Impact by IBKR. I immediately downloaded the app to see what it is about to give you a full review. So first, I'm gonna tell you about the mission and purpose of the app, and then we'll give it a try together. Impact is a patent-pending mobile trading application designed to help investors easily align their portfolios with their values and help shape the future they wish to see. Expanding upon environmental, social, and governance trading initiatives, Impact by Interactive Brokers features a simple and intuitive app design that streamlines the sustainable investing process for any investor and gives US clients access to zero commissions on US stock trading. The launch comes at a time when ESG considerations have become increasingly important to investors on a global scale. The Global Impact Investor Network estimates the total size of the market at $715 billion, managed by 1720 organizations. Impact allows investors to select their personal investment criteria from 13 impact values and principles. They are pure water, ocean life, land health, consumer safety, ethical leadership, gender equality, racial equality, LGBTQ inclusion, company transparency, sustainable product life cycle, mindful business models, and fair labor and thriving communities. Investors can also exclude investments based on 10 categories, which are animal testing, business ethics controversies, corporate political spending and lobbying, energy-intensive, fossil fuels, greenhouse emissions, hazardous waste, high water usage, tobacco, alcohol and gambling, and weapons and gun manufacturers. Based on these selections, the app provides impact scores on existing portfolios and holdings and identifies companies that align with investor-selected criteria. If you know, Interactive Brokers uses ESG data provided by third-party vendors and combines it with the client's value preferences to generate impact scores. This, along with the ability to review financial metrics for stocks and examine companies' impact scores, affords investors the opportunity to improve their scores through the selection of alternative companies in a simple and efficient manner. Impact app also includes the swap feature, a unique offering that gives users the ability to swap positions in the same dollar amount from one security to another. With one tap, investors can buy and sell securities simultaneously based on the comparative impact scores of one company versus another. Edward Software, ESG manager at Interactive Brokers, says that Impact Swap function goes a step further than their competitors to allow clients to easily realign their portfolio positions with what they care about the most, and which they are really proud of. He also adds that the app is designed for modern-day investors who understand that their investments make an impact and catalyze change. There are some additional tools and features available on the Impact app, which are charitable giving. IBKR Give enables users to align their impact values with non-profit organizations and make cash donations directly from the app. Using a comprehensive directory of US charities and non-profit organizations from GuideStar by Candid, Impact gives users the opportunity to easily donate to a charity matching their values or search for a non-profit of their choice. This feature is only available to US clients. There is also guided investing experience. Impact provides access to socially responsible investment portfolios through Interactive Advisors, which was named Best for Socially Responsible Investing by Investopedia in 2021. Impact users who are interested in these ready-made portfolios will be directed to Interactive Advisors to open an account. There is also an access to cryptocurrency. Investors will have access to crypto trading, enabling clients to trade and custody Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and Bitcoin Cash via Paxos Trust Company. Through Paxos, IBKR clients will be able to trade cryptocurrencies alongside other asset classes available on the Interactive Brokers platform, creating a unified customer experience. While other crypto exchanges and brokers charge fees at 2% of trade value or more and add spreads or markups to the price, Cryptocurrency trading with Paxos on Interactive Brokers platform has low commissions of just 0.12% to 0.18% of trade value, depending on monthly volume, with a $1.75 minimum per order. Plus, there are no added spreads, markups, or custody fees, and this feature is only available to US clients. And here's another initiative from Impact, which is a Plant a Forest. In conjunction with the launch, Interactive Brokers has partnered with One Tree Planted on the Impact Plant a Forest initiative. Available to the first 30,000 customers who sign up for Impact, the Plant a Forest program gives investors the opportunity to make an important environmental impact. For every $1,000 an investor deposits in their account, Impact will plant 25 trees. For the equivalent of 1 tree per $40 deposited, IBKR customers who use the Impact app can easily help reforestation efforts and direct Impact to plant trees in environmentally critical regions such as California, Mexico, Cote d'Ivoire, or India. For your information, One Tree Planted is a non-profit organization that plants trees worldwide to combat climate change and deforestation and partners with carefully selected reforestation organizations in North America, Latin America, Africa, and Asia. Now, let's see the interface of the app together. So here's how the app looks like. This is the home page. Here you can see your portfolio, transactions, accounts, support, top holdings, world indices, how they are doing today, watch list, some news, and there are displayed values you support. You can edit them if you want. Here's some more news and portfolio news. You go to portfolio, you can see your holdings, cash amount, and on Impact bookmark you can see your portfolio impact score. So currently I have an A score, which means that I have high and medium impact values alignment. You can once more review the values you support and practices to flag. Your positions are displayed below. On the watch list you can see stocks or indices that you are watching. You can add by clicking Add to Watch List. If you'd like to explore, you just click Explore and see. You can search stocks by topic. For example, let's choose Clean Air. And you can see top symbols with the highest impact score for Clean Air. And there are news about those stocks. Going back, here you can see top movers, top impact, and top ESG stocks. And more news on them. If you'd like to buy some stock, you can click Trade and then search stock. Find the stock you want, for example, Lucid Group. Click Lucid Group. You can see more market data on this stock, company profile, ratings, news. You could choose to buy or sell, or even to swap to another stock that you own. Let's try to swap. Click Swap. Select a stock. Let's select American Express. So it says sell all American Express shares and buy Lucid shares. Preview. Sell shares of American Express and enter a contingent order to buy approximately shares of Lucid. Submit swap order. Confirm. Order field. You can review your account. Let me remind you that this is the simulated trading, so I have about $1 million. Here are transactions, support, legal, settings, and feedback. You can give your feedback by clicking that you like something, you don't like something, or if you have a suggestion. Just type in what you want and send feedback. That's it. Thank you very much. Back to the studio. Let me know in the comments what do you think of the new Impact tab. I'm really curious about it. Here are more other videos about personal finance and investments for you. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, smash the like button and hit the notification bell. See you in the next video.